whisper in my ear, and you tell me do not fear. Now I finally feel it all, the way you're comforting my soul.